Our next speaker is Dr. Namrata Puntambekar from our institute. The point about Namrata introduced, I will say that she is kind of a central figure in the project. So she is connected with everybody, gets connected with everybody, and anybody who has to ask any question about the project will ask to Namrata, and Namrata will provide the answer. So she is in that way the most important person at the ground level on the project. So welcome Namrata, and look forward to hear your presentation.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much, Dr. Gupta, for such a warm welcome. And thank you, NCTUH, for providing this opportunity to present my work in this symposium. So as we all know now, this longitudinal study is a cohort study, and we are all in presenting the data from baseline here in this symposium. And we have 3 more follow-ups. Second follow-up is already done, and now we are looking ahead for third follow-up. So, for this particular symposium, I'm looking the association between tobacco use and body mass index among adolescents and their main caregivers in Mumbai and Kolkata. Yeah. So acknowledgement, of course, all the Indian team, PIs, Dr. Mangesh Pednekar, Dr. Ritesh Misri, who is there with us. Of course, our mentor, Dr. Gupta is over here, and my all team for this project. And so next slide. So the main objective of this study, the paper which I'm looking for, is to see the prevalence of overweight, that is obesity in urban cities, association of tobacco use with BMI for adolescents and main caregiver BMI association with their adolescents child BMI. So main caregiver here we have defined as a persons who look after the children, take cares of the children overall, and is a decision making is a main decision maker in the life of adolescent. Adolescents here are defined from the age group of 12 to 14 who are living with their main caregivers in an household. Yeah, next slide, please. So as we all know, body mass index is a well-recognized field measure of an individual body fat composition. Studies have already shown that BMI is inversely associated with tobacco use. Parental BMI typically predicts adolescent children's BMI. In this report, we primarily shows the result of association using data from a population-based study of adolescents and their main caregiver in Mumbai and Kolkata. Next slide. Methodology, a multi-stage sampling design we have used to represent a sample of communities and adolescents in both cities. We have selected Mumbai in Maharashtra state and Kolkata in West Bengal state. So there was one question in the chat box also, like why you have selected these 2 cities only from overall India. So here is the answer for that. These 2 cities basically are large in population. Geographically these are dispersed, and these are urban areas, and that reflects that India's urban variations in prevalence in tobacco use, tobacco control policy implementation, socio-economic development, infrastructures, and cultural factors are also one of the key reasons why we have selected these 2 cities, that is Mumbai and Kolkata. We have used a comprehensive framework of National Sample Survey Organization, that is NSSCO, of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, called Urban Framework, which is used for overall populated urban areas within the country. So we have used this sampling frame to draw our sample from Mumbai and Kolkata. So next slide, please. So we have selected 26 IV units. IV units here represents the investigator units, 26 in Mumbai and 26 in Kolkata. And on an average from each IV units, we have selected 4 blocks, which comes a total from 52 IV units, we have selected 272 blocks from both cities. All eligible households. Eligible households here implies that the person, like in an household, the adolescent and the main caregiver are there with an age range, adolescent with the age range of 12 to 14 were approached and enumerated for the studies. Eligible households the total eligible households we found from both the cities were 1982, and that we got the sample from the baseline study. And from Mumbai, we have 944 adolescents recruited in our study, and from Kolkata, we have 1038 adolescents and their main caregivers recruited in the studies. So this data collection was done face to face, and we have used some RedCap software to collect the data for this. And this data collection was being done by the trained investigators, and height and weight were were measured using a standardized procedures and protocols. Next slide. So we can see over here in the state of Mumbai and Kolkata, we have found ever users. Like, we have asked questions, have you ever used tobacco in any form? So we have found in Mumbai, like 22.7% in Mumbai have used tobacco, and 9.3% have used in Kolkata. And if you see the BMI categorization over here, we can see there are 37.7% persons who are ever tobacco users are underweight, and same way 22.4% in Kolkata. Next slide, please. Same way for the adolescents, we have categorized them into male and female. And if you see over here, the underweight is not that a big problem in adolescents. And we have found that the normal age range, the normal BMI category in Mumbai, in males in Mumbai is 82%, and in Kolkata it is 78%, which belongs to a normal weight over here. And same way in females, the normal weight over here in girls, that is 82%, and in boys it is 78%. But although there is this table reflects some problem of obesity, which we have in both the cities across 5% from overall population, from overall the sample we have gathered. Yeah, next slide. So the definitions, we have used BMI standard definitions, and for adult we have used the categorizations, which is Asian categorization over here. And for adolescents, calculating BMI in adolescents, we have used percentile methods, which is there on the slides now. Next slide, please. So the results, the main results I am reflecting over here, the most caregivers, like the most main caregivers, more than 80% were mother, and with 1/3 between 35 to 39 years old, and 22.7% in Mumbai, and 9.3 were reported to be ever user. 6% of the caregivers in Mumbai were underweight, and 40% were overweight, and 19.8 were obese. Similarly, in Kolkata, 5.1% caregivers were underweight, and 19% were obese. Next slide. So in Mumbai, the BMI range was observed between 24 to 26.8, while in Kolkata it ranged from 24.2 to 26.5. Caregiver BMI increased with age in both the cities. BMI was found to be lower among tobacco users versus non-users in Mumbai, and same way in Kolkata. Adolescent BMI was correlated with main caregiver. Next slide. So here the conclusion is, the prevalence of overweight obesity in urban India, the caregiver tobacco use inversely associated with BMI. Caregiver BMI is also associated with the other with their adolescent's child BMI. Intervention efforts to reduce caregiver tobacco use should be probably addressed the need to prevent the unwanted weight gain following tobacco use cessations. To optimize impact, lifestyle change efforts to reduce population obesity risk should be family oriented. So these are the primary results what I have depicted over here. We are working on the more detailed analysis for BMI and their association with tobacco use. So we'll update later. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your attention, and thank you NCTUH team for providing us the opportunity to present our work over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
very much, Namrata.